to the water.
Welcome to another episode of Las Vegas and Beyond. I had the opportunity to check out one of our timeshare locations here on the Las Vegas Strip. Yes, I just admitted that I am a timeshare owner, but I've never stayed at this one. The ELARA by Hilton is located just off Las Vegas Boulevard on Harmon, which is right next to Planet Hollywood and the Miracle Mile shops. So if you've been wondering what these rooms look like, then keep watching as I take you on a room tour. And if you're new to my channel, please think about clicking on that subscribe button down below. Let's go look around the living room first before we move on. This door leads to the master bedroom. Big wall art, thermostat. The TV's a little lopsided. Yeah, I'm not gonna try to adjust that. Sound bar, 2 3-prong outlets plus 2 USB outlets. And then just a drawer, little ottoman stools, very firm but comfy. First thing you see when you enter the room is this huge window with a view facing south of Harry Reid International Airport. And if you want some privacy, there is a motorized roller shutter that doubles as a projection screen. But know that it is slaved to the television, so whatever you're watching on the TV will project on the screen. I forgot to mention that this room is the master king suite with a sleeper sofa bed right underneath here, and is rated to sleep 4 people total for this suite. The suite is 884 square feet with a full kitchen, a master bedroom, a shared bathroom, and of course, the sitting area. The sofa is very comfortable. Guest closet with an ironing board, an iron, coat hangers, luggage rack, pillows, blanket, and a comforter for the sofa bed. Looks like a Korean countertop for 4 people. Nice fridge, brushed stainless. Ice, freezer, microwave. 12-cup coffee maker with the fixins for at least 2 cups of coffee. Toaster, paper towels, of course, a sink, cabinets. As cool as it is to have a fully stocked kitchen, I don't know, how many of you would actually cook here? I mean, you're on a vacation. Who wants to cook and clean, right? This side, nothing. Over here on the left side is a drawer full of hand towels, sponges, and dish soap. And right below it is a pitcher. There is your dishwasher. Well, that'll do it for the fabulous full kitchen. Let's go check out the bathroom. Complimentary body lotion, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and face soap. And behind this door is a combo washer and dryer. And located in the last cabinet are towels. 3-prong outlets, there's only 2 in the bathroom. Next to the sink is the toilet. And yeah, it's a toilet. There is a phone in case you've fallen and you can't get up. And then we have the shower. Do you think that that's a seat or is that just a shelf? You have to have a very small behind to sit there. And for a frame of reference, I am 5'5", but I know I'm shrinking. So decent size. 2 people maybe? Just on the other side of this door is the master suite. Pretty spacious and airy looking. Master suite also has roller shades from the floor to ceiling, so let's bring them down. So we have a desk, Cat 5, 2 outlets with 2 USB ports, 4 dresser drawers, not soft shut. This room has a 49-inch LCD TV. The TV in the front room is 65-inch, and this is where the DVD player is. You can rent DVD movies down in the lobby. A sliding wardrobe with a full-length mirror. Just more places to hang your clothes and a wall safe. It's a closet. Probably the highlight of this room, as I trip and fall, is a jetted tub. I probably should have looked in here first to see if they cleaned it. I see some hair. Okay, well, I'm out of the tub now. King-size bed, comfortable. Pillows are nice, firm, but yet also soft. Our drawers, 3-prong outlet, USB ports, there's 2. Alarm clock, 3-pronged outlet, 2 USB ports. And again, 2 more drawers. And then a chair, table, small circular one. I didn't tell you how much this room cost because, again, it's part of our point system as far as timeshares. But I looked online, and as of today, which is April 18th, the weekday rate for this room, which is the Master King Suite with sofa bed, was $373. Kind of pricey to me, but it does have all the furnishings as if it was a home or an apartment. So you have to take that into account. Leave me a comment down below if the ELARA by Hilton is someplace you'd consider staying. And that will do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. Also click on that subscribe button down below. Ring the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new content. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da!